your boy Vashawn from the Gamblers, you know what I'm saying? We back with another video today, you know what I'm saying? Today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to lace Nike SBs. So yeah, man, today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to lace Nike SBs. If y'all can see them, focus. Oh, there we go. Nike SBs. This is my personal pair of Nike SB De La Souls. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I lace my Nike SBs. I'm gonna give y'all 2 to 3 different ways how to lace them. And with no further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, man, as you guys can see, I've unlaced my Nike SBs. You know what I'm saying? Listen, the first thing you want to do is make sure these two are even as possible. They both even, they match up correctly, that they're the same length, and to make sure that they're the same. Oh, I keep dropping it. You want to make sure that they're the same exact length, you know what I'm saying? They equal. See that right there? When I lace my SBs, I always go over, you know what I'm saying? I don't like to go under, like underneath the shoe. I like to go over, so I put it over this way and go in from the outside. First, start it off, make sure they even and go over. Quick tip, I forgot. When you lacing your Nike SBs or any type of shoe, when you lacing any type of shoe, shoestrings usually get twisted and turned, and when you put them in, that they all twist and turn, they won't look right. Put your finger at the end of the shoestring like this. Keep it, hold it in, and then when you put it in, make sure it's straight. So your finger is right here, but you put it in, make sure it's straight.
These new hoes is skanky, she let me fuck her with the pinky. She threw it back on me like she was pinky. Porn star shit, she really reppin' that lifestyle. Plumbing out your bitch the way I'm laying that pipe down. Lifestyle, that's my contraception. I'm up for promos, a star in the field like Tony Romo. And when that new shit get old, I turn it Dak Prescott. Pop up on them niggas like Houdini. Where's your genie? I know you see me in the guinea. That's my first wish, here's a new flow. I just birthed this, not on purpose. Niggas wanna show off, I open curtains and watch. So
yeah, man, there you have it. I'm saying I lace them all over, not under, you know what I'm saying? But when I get to the top of my SB, I like to go under. So all the rest of the laces are, can't even see it. I like to go over on every other lace, but at the top. Loosen them up is very, very simple. You just take these two at the end, you push them outwards like that, and just go through doing that on the whole shoe like that. Bang, bang, bang. I like my shoestrings to be very, very loose. And at the top of my SB, I like to go under with my shoelaces. So I go under right here. Bang. I like to go under. Man, got these little hill joints. And there you have it, you know what I'm saying? There give you that Nike SB hang look. If you like to hang your shoestrings this low, I don't personally like to do that. So this is my little trick of not hanging it low. You know what I'm saying? Making sure that it's perfect length when it's hanging. It's another trick that I did in my other lacing video. You could do it like this. You go over like this, put it in. You go over here too, put it in. And then you take this. It's 2 other lacing options right there. You can see them. You can either put the lace through the same hole that you went in, or you could go right up top above it and let it hang like this. See that? Perfect length. See that? Perfect. Not too long, not too short. You know what I'm saying? Perfect length. You know what I'm saying? And they will not move. They will not move at all. They won't come out. The shoelaces won't come out. So that's my first way. I rock my SBs like this. I like the hang look, and I like them tied. Now I'm about to show you how I do them tied. The tie way I showed you, I'm gonna restart the process. I'm gonna unlace them, lace them up again, making sure the laces are loose. If you like that loose style, if you like them tight, go ahead and tighten them up as tight as you want, you know what I'm saying? But I like my shoestrings to be loose. And the first look was the hang style look, like this. God, it won't focus much. There we go. Hang it, you know what I'm saying? Not too long, not too short. So the tie way is really the same process, the same lacing process. You make sure they loose. I'm about to show you how I tie my SBs. there we go, man. I laced them back up, you know what I'm saying? And how I tie my SBs, it's pretty, I like it like this. I don't usually do like bunny ears like that. I don't usually do that. I just do this. So I usually push these out a little bit more, make sure they're a little bit looser so the shoestrings won't be too long. And then I go like this, I tie it like that. And then I just do that twice, do it the same way. And it comes like a little knot like that, you know what I'm saying? You can actually push the shoestrings back up if you want, just to fit your foot. So yeah, man, this is how the actually Nike SB looks, you know what I'm saying, with this type lacing. Look, loose, it's tied. I don't usually do bunny ears. I usually tie it and then tie it the same way again, no bunny ears. And I actually like this style, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show y'all on feet. It looks pretty sick. For the next style, I'm gonna have to unlace them again. It's the last style that I don't usually rock it like this, but it's grown on me, you know what I'm saying? It's really, really grown on me. And for SBs, it actually looks good. Like, for this shoe in particular, it actually looks good on this shoe. Showed y'all the hang look. I showed y'all the way I tie my SBs. And now I'm about to show y'all one more way that really grown on me. So let's get into it.
They love me, they was holding Keezy back, so I had to break them off. Either that or take a loss. I'm a boss, like I'm Ross. I refuse to take a loss. Come on, girl, take it off. Make it slow, like a sloth. Man, I'm sick, peep the cough. Gave a pipe, now she exhaust. Shorty love the way I floss. In the field like Randy Moss. Spit the cocaine with the snowflake. All these rap niggas so fake. They got the sodium with the sulfate. No wonder why they get no play. I ain't gon' drive till I get an I-8. And I ain't playing games, nigga, this ain't why I ate.
I mean, I just relaced them again, very loose, as you can see, very loose, very loose. And then what I'm gonna have to do, this is actually too short. You're gonna need a little bit longer than this, so I'm gonna have to just push my shoelaces up, which is very simple, like that. Pull, pull, grab these two, pull in, pull up, pull up. So that's a pretty good length right there, and they're still pretty loose. How to do it? You gotta just make sure they're even, as they are. You know what I'm saying? Grab them right here. Take your 2 fingers, wrap them around it, just like that. Wrap it around. Get your finger out of there first. As you see, it's a little hole right there. You just push those 2 laces right through the middle. I don't know what this style is called. I really don't, but it's really growing on me, and I've been trying to rock them this way. And you just let them hang over like that. I don't know what to call this. I don't know if like the monkey knot or something like that. I don't know, but it's pretty good. You gotta make sure it's hanging over the shoe though. Make sure it's hanging over. It's a pretty good style, just like that. As you can see, the shoelaces is still pretty loose. They don't gotta be really, really tight to do this method. And it's actually dope, you know what I'm saying? Look at that, just hanging over the side, hanging over the front. It's a pretty good way to wear your Nike SBs. People who use these for like skateboard, because I don't use these sneakers for skateboard. I use them to go out, you know what I'm saying? These are some pretty good sneaks. I don't use these to skateboard, go and do all that other stuff. I use these to get fly, I guess. I can wear these with some jeans, tough shirt, tough hoodie, and they'll go right, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of colors on this shoe, you know what I'm saying? So people who use it for skateboard, I'll just wear them how they regular come in the box, you know what I'm saying? Laced up really tight. You don't want to sprain your ankle out there skateboarding and all that. So make sure your sneakers is really tight. But for the people who just wear SBs, say for fashion wise, I guess, put them loose tied for the second way. They like the shoestrings are very loose, but they're still tied. It looks dope like that. That's probably my favorite way. The hanging look, and then you could do like the monkey knot, whatever this is called. I don't know what to call it. So yeah, man, I'm about to get right into the on foot and show y'all how these joints look. Let's get it.
I'm up for cheddar cheese and bread, nigga, call that shit a Big Mac. I flip a couple burgers and I make another big sack while I'm on the cook up. Most of my niggas booked up, free dually scraps, I know we had them niggas shook up. I elevate to the top, most niggas is scared to look up or pick a book up. Fuck that, I got the hook up, I'm all about my growth, my nigga, I got the hiccups. Fuck getting my dick sucked, I ain't got time for hoes. I spit some shit that only I should know. I drop gems like a PE class, I run this shit, you never see me last. Don't hand me shit, man, your CD ass, your CD, Mike CD trash. I'm a ball hog, you will never see me pass. This rap shit is such an easy task. I kill shit like a JV mass. I touch down like a TD pass. Jason Voorhees just counted up 4Gs. Real nigga bars, fake niggas will never forge these. I'm fucking shit up like an orgy. Young king, I stay true to myself. I'm lost in the world, nigga, I ain't losing myself. I work hard for my shit, I ain't fooling myself.
For real, for real, for real. Yeah. Sleep on them, that's Tempur-Pedic. Get the green like it's cow pockets, they fat just like Keenan. Told her I love her, ain't mean it. That's because I hit the meanest. You heard that I am from Mars. I heard that you was from Venus. I met that bitch in a meeting. I fucked that bitch from the meeting. I been was planning to